Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have some fabulous sparkly goodies to review for you today. I thought that obviously it's autumn here in the UK at the moment, so I would actually get some autumny colours to review. So I've got a few of those and obviously a few of the colours that I love as well. So just highlighting to you now that the Chameleon Glitter do have a different size. This was their old size. So basically like the newer ones are longer and thinner. So this is their new package size. So the first up I'm going to be reviewing is this gorgeous like white and pink iridescent flake. But it's actually a glitter and it's called Opal. And all of Chameleon glitters do come with this like protective plug, which is obviously going to keep your glitters inside the bottle until you want it outside of the bottle. So this is the base colour that I am using. And I've just got my silicone tool. Took me a while to get what it was then. And I found like I thought that these would kind of go on the nail and lie flat, but it's quite hard and they're quite thick and it sort of sticks out. So I was a bit like, ew. So I went on the store and it does say that it's really pretty when you encapsulate it with gel or acrylic. So obviously I'm like trying to pat it down a little bit here. But I mean, for me, I like my nails to have a nice smooth finish. I don't particularly like a rough, jagged edge because obviously you put it through your hair, you're ripping your hair out and all sorts. So hopefully you can see there that it is like obviously sits on top of the nail and it's quite thick. Hence needing to encapsulate it. So I probably should have got a new pop stick at this point and started again. So if you're going to do this, I would probably put the builder gel on first and then place the iridescent flakes in it, because you can see it was quite difficult trying to get it to lie flat over all of this stuff, and then it was kind of like clumping together. So not the best application process, but yeah, like I say, if you do it the other way then it will be fine. So I've gone ahead and cured it. Like if you've got a lamp where you've got like a low heat 99 seconds one, I would suggest that you put it in for that. Otherwise put it in for 2 minutes or however it suggests your builder gel to go in. So when you're happy with how much of the iridescent flake is on the nail, I would go ahead and apply another layer of the builder gel. Because obviously you want your nail to be nice and smooth. So again, go and cure that. And then you go and finish off with your sort of favourite top coat that you would use. And then that's it. Don't know what's gone on here. Basically, I'm highlighting that my ring finger here was the wrong size that I put on, but I didn't realise it till this point. But anyway, this is the end look. I hope you can see how pretty it is, and you've got like that iridescent shift in it, and it does look like opal, and it would probably show up more on different coloured bases as well. But yeah, but you're definitely going to need to use like an encapsulating method with this product. So next up is from their Dust collection, and this one is called Cosmos. And I'm going to be putting it over a black base, so this is the gel polish that I am using. And it's got so many colours in. Now on the website it says it's a metallic flake that creates a stunning metallic effect. I mean, it looks holographic to me. So thankfully this lay flat like I expected the Opal to do. So obviously you could apply these different ways. I'm kind of like really filling out the nail and trying to rub it in as best as possible. It does say on the website that it can be embedded into gel or acrylic or applied to top of nail polish to create a metallic shiny nails. But to me it's like really stunning. It almost has like a shattered glass effect. So I'm going ahead and applying the top coat. I would probably suggest with glitters that you do apply 2 coats of top coat just to make sure it's all sort of flat and smooth. And this is the finished look, which is really, really pretty. I mean, I don't personally get the metallic look. It may be because I haven't applied it to get the metallic look. I mean, to me, it just looks like a hollow shattered glass, which I absolutely love the look of. So moving on now, I'm back to the glitter collection, and this is obviously a fine glitter. And is it SIRIUS? Something like that. And this is the base that I am putting it on. I think it's called like titanium or something like that. So you will see it properly in a moment. It's quite difficult to see on the silver base that I've chose, but you can just see that it adds like a gorgeous holographic finish to the nail. But isn't that so gorgeous? So it's going to go ahead and apply my gel top coat and obviously cure it underneath the lamp. I do think the top coat really brings like the wowness out with these products. So that is the end look. So it is such a gorgeous finish. Now, obviously, normally I would do outdoor shots so you could see outdoors in natural light, but the weather here in the UK at the moment is dreadful. So it's like high winds and raining. So yeah, I'll go the extra mile with my reviews, but yeah, I'm not going out in gale force winds and rain. And it probably wouldn't be great lighting if I did anyway. So moving on now, this is tropical. So I'm putting it on like a turquoisey base. I think this is Zesty Sea Breeze or something like that from Kiki London. I have reviewed these gel polishes, so if you want to check those out, I can leave a link to that also. So you can see that this is a slightly chunkier glitter. It's not the chunkiest, but it's not like an ultra fine glitter, as you can see. And this is the end look, which is just gorgeous, kind of getting mermaidy vibes going off of this one. Very pretty indeed. So you're probably aware you can buy these in these 10-gram bottles, which is what this is, or you can buy in like a 5-gram resealable packet as well. So moving on now, these are obviously my autumn colours that I've picked out. So I've put this over like a bright orange base. So Blaze is like a burnt orange, like ultra fine glitter. And it is like proper wow, especially after you've applied your top coat. Now, I was going to say in this video, like trying to get you to sort of go on my Instagram and on my YouTube. Like if you want to see the designs that I've done over the top of these, then go and check it out over on Instagram. But I forgot to record it before I put my design on. So you're kind of going to get a little sneak peek of the designs that I created. But obviously if you want to see the other designs, then you're going to have to check that out over on my Instagram, which you can find me at Gelulicious. So this is Marmalade, which is absolutely stunning. You can see again, it's a chunkier glitter. And it's kind of like a mixture between like a bronzy goldy look, and it is so stunning on the nail. It's like, because it's chunkier, it like really sparkles. And it applies really nice on the nail as well. So you'd think I would have learnt my lesson, wouldn't you? No. I did it again. I couldn't believe it. I was like, what? So I made a real conscious effort. So these are the only designs you're going to get to see. All the others you're going to have to go and check out over on my Instagram. So moving on now, this is Tango, and this is so stunning. Look at all those different colours that are coming through as well. Obviously it's got like orangey like undertones, but it's got lots of different colours coming through it as well. And this is obviously back to the like ultra fine glitter as well. So obviously this is ultimately like an orangey goldy glitter, but you can see obviously it's got like a holographic effect as well. Such an awesome creation. And I've gone ahead and top coated it, and just look at that awesome finish. So like I say, these last few that I've done are perfect for the autumn season. So moving on now, you've got a fire glitter. So it's a gorgeous red glitter. So I'm using like a darky red base. Again, this is ultra fine. And it kind of has like a slight pinky undertone as well. Don't know if you're picking that up on camera, but this one is really stunning, especially after you apply the top coat. Just how awesome does that look? It's almost like got depth to it. So this one I really, really liked. It's gorgeous. So if you haven't got any of these already in your collection, would you purchase them? Be intrigued to know. If you do, please use my discount code. I have it on screen at various points throughout my video, and it is in the description box as well. And I ask that you do that. Like if my review in particular has got you to go to their store and check it out and purchase, then I would really appreciate you using my code, because obviously it highlights to the company that you are buying through watching my reviews, so it kind of shows my worth to the company. So yeah, so it'd be great if you could do that. So again, an absolutely stunning glitter. Like I seriously could have just looked at this all day. It is again perfect for the autumn season. I mean, I don't particularly stick to seasons. I am a rebel in the nail art world. I mean, I will obviously do seasonal themes, but yeah, I'll basically wear whatever colour I feel like wearing, and that might be bright neon nails in the middle of winter. But there you go. But if you are like only wear seasonal colours, then these are definite seasonal colours. So this is the last one that I am doing today, and this is the chunkiest glitter that I have used. And again, I think it's the chunkiest, or actually it might be the same chunkiest as the Marmalade glitter. But how breathtaking is that? It's like a little purple disco ball. I don't know what is going on with my text at the moment. It's like shifting all over the place. But again, could have stared at this all day. Really pretty. So I've really enjoyed doing these swatches for you jelly babes. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching my review. And like I say, use my code if you check out their store. And thanks for watching.